put a flag right there, right?
Yeah, we gotta push up.
You see him? Where to go, and I'll go.
Right side, I got 3. Right side, I got
Go to him.
3.
Yeah, go left.
Far left, where he's at, or the middle left.
Middle left.
Copy that. Move.
Go, 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 go. Stay down, stay down.
Hey, net.
There's 2 on the left, 2 on the left. Watch your left side. Hey.
Pin down.
I didn't see the other guy there.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, I didn't warn you.
That's good. I'm on you, Matt. I'm on you.
They're stacking up over here.
All right.
And they're all smart. They're staying right behind their log. You see them?
I don't see any. Oh, they're in.
Hey, come here. You got a clear shot. 3 of them. 3 of them. Right here. Look, right there. See them?
Move up, move up, move up. That's it, watch it. Move. They're on our right. They're on our right.
Guys, I need you to hit hard right. You good, buddy?
We good?
He's coming at you. He's coming at you. Nice.
Good call, good call. Oh, hit. Good shot. I didn't know it was peeping up.
No worries, man. You clean that one, dude, bro.
There's a guy in the bunker in your 12. Two down. Center's clear. So, I got hit.
I'm running out of ammo too, actually.
Matt, move towards me.
They got you pinned, dude. Hey, push it to right.
Got it. Reloading.
Get him. He's pushing up left side. No, stay on your right though. He's right in the middle with the big.
I got him. I got visual. Hit.
They're gonna shoot us.
Hit.
Yeah.
Guys are calling it.
I feel like that too.
One down!
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Uh-oh.
Is he out? Oh shit, he has a knife now. Oh, he has some melee. Look down.